Hi, my name is Claude Massey. I'm a professional sales trainer living in Israel, Tel Aviv Israel to be exact. I've been a sales trainer working with inside and outside salespeople for about 14 years now, and I've worked with thousands of salespeople in over 5 countries around the world. And it's a pleasure to be with you, of course. Now, my life goal that I want to share with you just really quickly is to change the lives of over 1 million people if I can. I've only worked with just the thousands and not even in the tens or hundreds of thousands, so I've got my own goals. And of course, I just wanted to share them with you, and hopefully one day I can achieve that goal, and who knows, maybe I'll help you today. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to be the best salesperson on your sales team? I mean, do you have a desire when you look around the sales office to be the best? Maybe there's someone in front of you, maybe there's someone behind you currently, maybe you're a complete beginner to sales. Many people who watch my sales training videos are relative beginners to the field of sales. So those guys are hungry a lot of the time, so I know that means you guys are really hungry. And I want to ask if you want to be the best, because I remember when I used to be on the sales floor, I damn sure wanted to be the best salesperson, and that my manager knew he could rely on to send me the best leads. And that's exactly why I want to make this video, is to help you guys, to talk about the idea of how you can become the best salesperson in your sales room. And that's my promise. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to do it. So the first tip I wanted to cover with you guys is really having the persistence and the confidence, and more important than the confidence is the desire, because desire is actually very attractive, and it's an energy bringing things towards you. And so you've got to have the desire and the passion to be the best. You actually are most likely extremely competitive, to be the best. And either you're competing against other salespeople on the sales team, or really you're competing against yourself, and I respect you either way. But the first thing you have to have, just like I said, is the passion and the desire and the motivation, which is completely within you. I can never affect that, and you've got to have that inside of you. Once you do have that passion inside of you, then you've got to do the second thing. And here's the second thing you've got to do to become the best salesperson on your sales team, is you actually have to do sales training. You've got to train yourself to be the best salesperson in the sales room. I don't care if that means watching YouTube videos, or reading books, or writing your own scripts, maybe writing your own flashcards to resistances and rebuttals. It doesn't really matter to me what you're doing, as long as you're training every single day to be the best salesperson that you can possibly be. So the 2 key things in being the best salesperson in the sales room, boom, I just laid it out for you. And I promise that if you're able to do those 2 things, you're going to start to see results, and you're definitely going to end up being the best salesperson on your sales team.